In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make lobster the Haitian way. Today is my husband's birthday, so I'm cooking him lobster. So, you need bell pepper, butter, oil, corn oil, parsley, sour orange, tomato paste, and coconut milk, Old Bay, vinegar, lemon, onions, shallots, thyme, and lime. And what you need to do, you need to put some vinegar, about 2 teaspoons vinegar and some water. Like if the lobster is frozen, so you're gonna need to clean it with some vinegar, and then after you clean it, you're gonna take out those little legs here, and you're gonna slice it open like this, and you're gonna slice it open from the back also. Okay, and you want to crack it open, that way you have the meat exposed, and then you can add the seasoning. Okay, and on the next step, I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. So first, we're gonna, after seasoning it, and we're gonna marinate it for about half an hour to an hour, and then we're gonna fry it, and then with garlic and butter, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the tail to add in the sauce to give it some flavor, and fry it for about 5 minutes, and then put it under the oven. So on the next step, I'm gonna show you guys all the process to make this lobster the Haitian way. Thank you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cook the lobster and make a nice sauce with it. So here in this pot right here, I have some oil, some corn oil, and I'm gonna add some butter, 1 teaspoon butter. To make the sauce, and then I'm gonna add the lobster tail. They're already seasoned and marinated for about an hour. Okay, so you're gonna leave this on for like 3 minutes each side, and then we're gonna after 2 minutes each side, we're gonna take out the lobster and put it under the oven. So from now we can start setting your oven to like 350 degrees. And those are the ingredients that we're gonna add in the sauce. So we have garlic, thyme, green bell pepper, hot pepper, shallots, and also onions. And we also need some coconut milk, and also some tomato paste. And now the lobster is cooking, and we also need the sauce to put in this seasoning sauce to put in the sauce. So now we're just gonna let it cook, simmer for about 2 minutes each side. And I'm gonna cook this with fried plantain. And here I'm gonna show you how to make fried plantain. So you have your plantain here, right here. So you need to slice it like on the corner. You're gonna slice it right here, then you slice it here and here, so then it's easy to peel off. There you go, you peel it off like this, this, and then you're gonna cut them in small pieces like that, and you leave it on the water for about you put some lemon, that way you make sure, or lime, you squeeze some in there, not too much. Like you can use a leftover lime, you know, something you used up for your lobster or any meat, and you just use it just so the plantain doesn't turn black, and you put some salt in there, and you can also add some Old Bay or some other seasoning. And also then the next step, I'm gonna show you how to fry it, and this one will conclude this video. And now we can check on the pain patate. So today's my husband's birthday, so I'm making him pain patate and lobster tail with fried plantain, and we also have some fried boniato, yeah. So that's white sweet potatoes. So here on this side here we have the pain patate here. So on the next step, guys, I'm gonna show you the status of the food that we're cooking. Okay, thank you for watching.